What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys just a really simple, quick craft that you can do. It's great for Valentine's Day. Matter of fact, it's perfect, especially for kids to do. They can give these. I showed my daughter, as soon as she seen it, she wanted to give these out to her classroom. Honey,
What, you want to see my image?
Honey, you got the big bowl up.
Oh, the big bowl right here. Oh, I thought you wanted to see my image.
No, I don't care about the image. Okay, this is what we have. Can you guys see that? Look at that. They are little teeny tiny
Valentine fortune cookies.
these are little fortune cookies, you guys. They are super cute, super easy to do. They have the little messages in them, and my daughter loved it. Like I said, to where she's gonna do her own thing. You can put any pattern, any message. So this is it's just a cool idea, right?
Yes, we're gonna see.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do no damn crap.
He's, honey, the language on the channel.
Oh, my bad. You know, I don't know how to do no crap.
Yeah, he's gonna try to. I told him it's like really simple. Like, this is really simple. All you need is pretty much a circle. You go ahead and show your pattern, your image now.
Cowboy. Where I'm at. Oh, there you go, cowboy.
Yeah, you can print out just a circle. It could be any size. Of course, the bigger the size, the bigger the circle, the bigger your fortune cookie is. The smaller. Okay, so you can also print out like little messages on them as well. So the first thing me and my husband are going to do, here which one doing, is we are going to cut out our circle.
Cut it all the way out.
Cut it all the way out. Follow the line. Come on, let's see who can get done first.
That ain't fair.
It is fair.
I got your last silk.
I just asked you which scissors you wanted.
That was a setup.
Those are scissors you picked out. You could have picked out the ones I got.
That's
Let's
like,
see who get done
that's like
first.
you asking who wants the big piece of candy. I take it. You gonna be like, you selfish. You took the big piece of candy. And I'm done.
Yeah, you pretty much are done. I keep stopping to look at you.
What you looking at me for? I know.
Because I wanna see who gonna win. But anyways, I did. So mine is done.
Wow, I've been done.
You did not been.
You won.
You about to make me say something that's not even real
You won.
English. You not been done.
You won.
Okay. Anywho. Okay, honey. Come on, so we can do the next step.
I did.
Okay, so after you got this cut out, oh shoot, we might want to cut our quotes out too.
Cowboys. If y'all can see that.
All right, so go ahead and cut your little quote out.
Cut my quote out. You got one for me?
Yeah.
What you got?
Here, Naviana pictures out.
What is that? What?
Okay, so.
Is jumping on the bed.
Okay. I'll be out there in a second. Baby.
I'm trying to get this video recorded as my kids are supposed to be laying down. And one comes and tells me my son is jumping on the bed. Okay.
She ain't gonna do that. It's buns. Oh, come on. Let go.
He thinks the baby is spoiled. He's not spoiled. He's just a baby. He's exactly what he is. Okay.
Y'all see Buns in all her videos.
All of them be in the videos.
Come on, man. Nobody said that.
And if anything, okay.
If anything, what? We listening.
If anything, Ayla be in a lot of the videos.
Definitely not.
Yes, she does.
That's me, though.
Okay.
Buns.
Okay, honey, listen. Don't nobody want to hear that. Okay. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your circle and you're going to want to just hold it right here. Like, fold it in half, but don't crease it. You're only going to want to push in on the middle. That's, honey, why aren't you doing this?
I was looking at my kids, man.
Okay.
All right. Now you see how you do it? How you do it? Start on. I ain't see it. How you go? I ain't see it.
Fold it in half, honey. Don't crease it. Just fold it like this, and then just
I gotta fold it like
pinch
this.
it. Yeah, and just pinch it.
Pinch it right up.
In the middle to get a crease. Yes.
In the middle right now.
Honey, do it.
I pinched it.
Okay. And then you let go, and of course you can see that you have the crease down the middle now. You can see the crease in it.
Crease.
Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fold it in the opposite direction of your crease.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, don't mess up your crease. You need your crease.
So how you just folded that? Like. I still got my crease though.
Honey, you literally just
How you take
fold
it?
it, and you're
Uh-huh.
just folding it in the opposite direction now.
Oh, you talking about like this? Just putting it together
Yes.
like that? Oh,
Yeah.
oh, I had it. There you go. You got it like that.
Honey, you deserve a cookie. Yes.
I
Okay.
know.
Now, once you got this done, because you have that crease right there, you're pretty much, let me see. Honey,
You
pay
know what?
attention,
I
please.
ain't. I'm
You're
lucky.
pretty much just going to want to like push in, but at the same time you push in, you're folding it. You see how that's folding over?
Whoa.
Forming the fortune cookie?
How you did that? That gonna mess up my image. You know I'm right-handed, so I gotta do it like this.
Okay,
Alright.
okay.
How you did that?
Unfold it a little bit. Okay. Show the white part just a little bit, like that.
Like this?
Yeah. Why do you got yours on that? You right-handed. I'm left-handed.
Yeah, I'm right-handed. Yeah.
So you're gonna want to push in on the crease a little bit, and at the same time, you're holding on to the top and the bottom. Like this, honey. You're holding on to the top and the bottom, and you push in, and you push these down,
Like this?
and you push that in.
Oh, I'm right-handed, man. So you know it's gonna be kind of
Lord
hard.
Jesus, help
Like,
them.
oh, it's getting. Oh no. Why it looking
Honey,
like that?
yes, it's going to. Don't worry. You just made mine come apart. You irritating me so terrible. Mine was just good.
Hey man, I told you I'm not no dang on.
God, these things are so simple. I swear to God, they are. My
They
husband,
can't be. They can't
are.
be.
Look, you literally just take the image, push it in the. Look, as soon as you push it, you see it wants to just automatically fold.
Yeah,
You
mine
take
won't
it and
automatically
you
fold.
fold it.
Mine
And then
don't
once
want
it
to.
folds, as you can see, you have your fortune cookie now.
That- Listen. Cowboy don't want to fold. You must got me with some card
Honey,
stock,
no,
baby.
I don't. What is wrong with you? You a freaking idiot.
You got me
Look, you take it.
with. Yeah. See? Oh no! You done ripped mine, man.
That side don't even show.
You done ripped mine. Now it don't matter because it ain't yours.
No, it don't show. That's all that matters. That's all you do. That's it.
Oh.
That's it.
Yeah.
Of course, it's gonna feel. It's gonna look and feel like it's about to
So
break and
it posted like
tear.
that. Hey, y'all see my
And you
fortune
just
cook I
do
just
it
made?
I don't even want to upload this video. Like, you got me hot right now. I'm so upset. I'm sweating. That's how upset I am. I'm literally sweating.
Y'all see my fortune cookie I just made?
You didn't even put your message in it.
I did it. Where that? Right here.
Yeah, slide it in there.
Slide it.
You know what?
Nah, look at you.
You
Look.
disgusting.
Nigga, I'm talking about slide the thing in there. It's hard to put it in.
Gross.
It's hard to put it in
Okay,
there.
honey, I don't want to hear that. Okay, so you know what?
What's that?
You throw. You know what?
I'll throw you off.
You throw me all the way
I
off.
bet I am. You man.
Okay, before you fold it all the way,
Yo.
please put the
Message in there first.
yeah.
So you gave us bad instructions. Oh my God.
No, just you, because you throwing me all off. And then what you want to do is you want to put a little bit of glue right here in the middle so that it can seal and it can stay in place. So that's exactly what I'm about to do now. Dad, what'd you do, Dad?
I told him to go upstairs. That's all.
Oh,
You know buns don't get no whooping.
whatever. Okay. And then once you go ahead and you put your little glue in the middle, you might want to hold it there for maybe, well, it depends on what kind of glue you use. You might want to hold it in place for a little bit. You got to glue it so it stays
Glue it?
in.
Which
Okay,
one?
let it go, honey.
Oh, I know it's gonna come. Okay, I get
Yes,
it.
you got to glue it in
Oh,
place.
yeah. I didn't doubt that, dog. I just was showing them. I got my. Wait, hold on. There. No. There you go. Look at the one I made. Y'all see my wife?
Mine's done. I'm ready. I'm ready to be done. You done made me mad. This is supposed to be fun. It's cute.
Hey.
No, don't even put yours with mine. Don't even put yours with mine. I apologize for him. He will not be in any more videos in the future. no more videos in the future.
Hey.
You guys have, you probably do got some questions because he just threw me all the way off. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask.
Hey, bro.
But these came out super cute. They're super cute to do. Easy. They're quick. I swear, if you don't got somebody messing with you, these are easy and simple to do. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Yeah.